Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. We have already learned what is computer languages. Further, it is divided into two types, that is low-level language and high-level language. Computer needs language processor to convert the high-level language to machine language. And further, the language processor is categorized under assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Assembler. The assembler is used to translate the program written in assembly language into machine code or machine language. We have already seen some of the assembly language instruction in our previous session. The source code or the source program is the input of assembler that contains assembly language instruction. Then the output that generated by the assembler is machine code that is easily understandable by the computer. So basically, assembler used for the assembly language, which is categorized as the upper part of low-level language. Now, for converting the high-level language, we either use compiler or interpreter. So what is compiler? The language processor that reads the complete source program or the source code of a program written in high-level language as a whole in one go and translate it into an equivalent program in the machine language is called compiler. This is something like to read a poem or a story at once, the whole, and then summarized it. So compiler generates the error, if there is any, in the source code only after scanning the whole program. So debugging is slow in compiler. The next part is interpreter. In interpreter, the translation of single statement of a source program into machine code is done by the language processor and then execute it immediately before moving on to the next line. If there is an error in the statement, the interpreter terminates its translation process at that statement and display an error message. The interpreter moves on to the next line for execution only after removal of the error. Interpreter directly executes instruction written in a programming or scripting language without previously converting them to a machine code or into machine code. So how interpreter works? In simple language, interpreter takes the source program and run it line by line, translating each line, and then it go to the next line if there is no error. As the interpreter scan the source program line by line, so it is easy to debugging a source code or a source program by using the interpreter. That's all for the day. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe and have a nice day.